Hey guys, this is what you should do right here.
Barrel roll, barrel roll, do a barrel roll, do a barrel roll, do a barrel roll, barrel roll, barrel roll, do a barrel roll, do a barrel roll, do a barrel roll.
Okay guys, today we're going to be using an app called ROBLOX Oof soundboard for Roblox, I think. Also, here's what's free.
ROBLOX! It's free!
This is what I am.
I'm Batman.
This is what I like.
I like singing. I like dancing.
I like trains.
Okay, so anyway, it has a bunch of funny things like
Barrel roll, barrel roll, do a barrel roll, do a barrel roll, do a barrel roll, barrel roll, barrel roll, do a barrel roll, do a barrel roll, do a barrel roll.
okay.
Barrel roll, barrel roll, do a barrel roll, do a barrel roll, do a barrel roll, barrel roll, barrel roll.
Okay, so what are we gonna use? We're gonna use
How many pennies in the slide?
I'm Batman.
this is just
ROBLOX! It's free!
and this was just cut from the Roblox.
It's free!
Did you hear me? I don't know because I'm wearing headphones. My mom's working. That's a Roblox sword swing.
This game is amazing! Control real claw machines live from your smartphone or tablet. Win real prizes. Shipped to your door.
Wow, this is huge!
It's from Super Mario, legit Super Mario.
New prizes every day. Over 2 million players around the
I think that's this game. I've done it before. Never got shipped.
Barrel roll, barrel roll, do
What's this? Electrophone.
I'll be back.
What was it?
barrel roll, barrel roll, do a barrel roll, do a barrel roll, do a barrel roll.
Today, guys, we're also gonna be.
Everybody put your hands in the air.
I put hands in the air. I put my hands in the air and shows it you.
Me.
What are they? Ooh! That's the actual oof sound. And I don't know how to replace it on this. This probably can't. Maybe it can. I don't know.
You suck!
3 signs you are addicted to stress. Sign 1. You can't stop scrolling.
I kept staying up way too late scrolling Twitter and Instagram. With Calm, I'm asleep 10 minutes into a sleep story.
Sorry about that, guys. That's an unexpected thing. If
ROBLOX! It's free!
how much for you was my
ROBLOX! It's free!
okay, guys. So anyway, we're gonna read the. Nope.